Okay, now everything is connected. So we connect it to the hose that will lead the gas to the air system. So it goes down here. Now this is the cooler that cools this one separates the water from the gas. Then you come here. This is the water container, and it comes down to recycle in the cell chamber, and the cell produces the gas back to the water tank, and the air goes straight to the engine from the cooler. So this is how the system is. I'm going to start the engine for you to see. Hold on. Check the RPM. So now we are using the come here.
It's a cool running engine.